I think the plan gives us a really comprehensive approach to looking at a range of reasons for skill shortages.
We believe it will benefit our manufacturers because of its ability to understand what the skills gap are and how we can work together to meet those gaps.
I think the workforce plan is going to be potentially a game changer, certainly an amazing starting point for the manufacturing industry.
I think the plan actually brings it back to grassroots level, where we're going back to exactly what we should be doing to engage people at a younger age or a youth age into manufacturing.
Action around apprenticeships is going to be really, really important. Really looking at how do we attract young people through school into these industries and make them attractive and make them appealing.
We want to build a pipeline of students coming through and showing them that manufacturing has evolved. It's no longer dirty, dumb and dangerous, but smart, secure and sustainable.
I think the key challenges that have been identified around the ageing workforce, around apprentices and retention, around diversity. They're 4 key points and challenges that I believe and our organisation believes to be addressed.
The solutions will really help give some guidance on the different approaches they can take to make sure they've got the workforce to meet the new needs.